Curious if Sunny's having a good day or a bad day. Yesterday was a bad day. Are you having a good day today, buddy? Yesterday was not such a good day. All right, put those there. What is wrong with you, dude? He's way too aggressive. I don't think this is gonna last for him. This is not gonna be a forever home. Are you kidding me, dude? I am not trying to inflict pain on you. Get back. Get back. No, I'm not. I will not be bullied by you. Get back. Get back in line. I will not be bullied by you. Get. This is my home. My home. Get. Get. Yeah, keep walking. Keep walking. Look at him. He's in front of their stupid coop. Oh my gosh. Sonny, get back. Get back. Mama's not kidding this morning. Get back. I'm not kidding. You think I'm kidding? I got to empty waters. You may want to go with the guineas this morning. You may want to go on their path. Come on. Mama is not kidding this morning. You think you can bully everybody around here? It ain't gonna work. How does it feel? How does it feel? Keep walking. Keep walking. Not today, Sonny. Not today, buddy boy. Hello, how's my girl? This is my happy place. Hi, babies. Yeah, we're gonna empty out the water. Oh, watch her. Hi, guys. Oh my gosh. This can get all, this is so much ice. I think there's ice underneath it. Anyways, they at least get some fresh water. All right, I'm gonna go see how their water is. Such a beautiful day out today. It's cold, but it's nice and sunny and cold. So I think they go out in free range. So, and they get nice water from the creek, which is great. All right. Okay. Well, they at least have food. They can forage for bugs. And they had this creek. I called it a river the other day because it was just, so much water was coming through. It was crazy. But this whole thing needs to be completely dug up. And it needs to make sense. Like, it's pretty. It's just not pretty. Like, it's nice to have running water on the property, but it's not pretty. We had a massive flash flood last year, and it washed it completely out. So, all right, well, they're all at least free ranging. Sonny at least got put in his place. No animals were hurt during making this video. Promise. He has gotten hurt before though. He spurred my mom yesterday. He spurred me on Thanksgiving morning. And that was not fun. So, anywho, to be continued.